today's roleplay is a snowstorm. What else called?
Wait, those are carrots laying here. That is not normal. Carrots are usually in the ground like this. That's a thick carrot. But why is it just on the floor?
What do you want?
Maybe that's a clue to where baby deer went. Maybe he went
There's
this
a
way.
huge snowstorm coming right now.
He could very easily be in here, but
You're
there's
lying
no
right
open
now.
doors. So
No,
I
check
have
your phone.
No idea.
I'm not
Deer?
lying. Check your
Hello?
phone.
Hello. Where are you? These
Oh my
wolves
God,
and
there's
stuff,
a
I don't trust
snowstorm.
them out in the wild.
What do we
I really hope
do?
he's not in a cave.
I don't know. We have to quickly get ready.
But maybe this carrot's something. I'm gonna keep looking
We have
around
to
the area.
evacuate. What it was called? I don't know how I say
this
it.
carrot here. Let's
But
go
guys,
get
it's
some
too
more
late to
cabins,
them
some shacks, maybe even
evacuate.
the
What it was
shack over
called?
here.
So yeah.
Well, he's really tiny.
Because
He
the
can't be hiding
snowstorm is
anywhere
too
far.
big.
Oh, maybe he's in the laboratory.
We need to tell Dad he's a deep asleep for the past role plays.
He's not in there, but there's a chest here. Ugh, I'm not having any
What do you
luck.
mean
That
role
carrot
play?
may have just been a bug. Okay, but let me think.
Oh,
If
somebody's
I was
recording
baby
us.
deer, what would I do?
Girl.
Probably run away from the
Okay,
fire
let's not do
because I
it.
think I'm so cool.
Okay,
and
there's a little
That's literally what he did, and I don't know where he
snore.
is. Okay, my fire's level 4. Maybe we
Snowstorm
go try and
coming.
save some
I
kids.
accidentally
I
said
don't know.
snore.
Maybe he's in one of like the kids areas.
Ow.
Let me first get a
Okay.
bunny foot. I'm having no luck. My whole
Oh my
night
God,
life
the
run
babies
is
are gonna be
ruined
so
because
scared.
I lost
Move
the
out of
baby
my
deer.
way.
They're supposed to be reunited after he just left to go on
girl.
this big adventure to find his mom. And
No time
this
to
is what
worry. I need to get
for
the
treating
babies.
him so nicely. Derek, give me your
Okay,
feet,
these
buddy.
are both of her
I'm seriously
babies.
having no luck with this.
Girl
Make sure you
and
guys
a
leave like on
boy.
the video.
They're
If
both
you think
twins.
I'll be able to find him before he gets
So
hurt,
they have a
this is
big
ridiculous.
family, so
Oh, I got
yeah.
this stupid carrot. I don't want it. You know what? I need to just clear my head. I'm gonna go
Okay,
check
the
first
babies
his
are
face
still
because
asleep.
he
That's
could
good.
easily be there. I'm just hoping I find some sort of
Okay, first I need to
that,
tell the
that'll
kids.
make me feel more secure in that baby deer.
Oh yeah, I almost cut it the video.
Dead. Alright,
Kids,
let me
kid,
kill
kid,
these,
wake
but-
up.
Oh my God! Why are there berries? There's berries. Do you guys see the berries on the floor? Look at that. There's 1 berry.
What do you
2
want?
berry, 3 berry, 4 berry.
There's a
4
little
berries.
snowstorm
Maybe
coming.
it's actually
Look,
inside.
see?
Oh wait, no, there's 5 berries. There's one
Hey,
right
you're gonna
here.
waste my
I
iPad
mean, he's pretty stingy to
battery.
get those bars. Oh, baby dear, you better
Stop,
be
I was.
here. This is giving me a lot of hope.
I'm so sorry guys because I was sick yesterday and I almost threw up.
Okay, let me just
So-
put you in my sack and open this chest. I really thought baby deer was gonna
There's a
be-
little snowstorm.
It
Look.
makes sense. There's berries out front. I'm
Guys.
just gonna take these berries back because this is
Mom, you
probably
literally
another
wasted my
clue.
iPad
So
battery.
we had a carrot on the floor, berries in front of the first kid's face.
No time to
maybe
worry.
he's at
Look.
second kid's base. Let's just put dinosaurs.
My iPad is at
Guys, I
100%.
think he's probably at second kid's base, so we're gonna go.
My
there.
iPad was at
I don't think
1%.
baby deer likes nighttime, but his mom does. Maybe.
Look, see?
All right, let's go see if he's at second kid's base. He probably is. I mean, if there was berries there, he's definitely.
Are you
on
kidding me?
right? Oh gosh, I'm probably just grasping at straws here.
I'm
Okay,
getting
we made
really
it to
cold
second
right
kid's
now.
base.
I don't know why
am
I
not
just
seeing
pressed
any
this.
clues other than a bunch of
Me
wolves
too.
attacking me. I don't see a single berry here. Oh my gosh. Maybe he's in here. Maybe he didn't leave.
Gosh,
a
I'm
clue.
getting
Baby
cold.
deer.
I think the snow is
I
coming
don't like it
inside.
either. Whatever. Just come back with me.
Why is there a
Okay,
little
it's not
hole
stupid. I'm just saying.
in the
I'm trying to
glass?
find the baby deer right now. I'm just gonna head back to base. There's no.
I need to
clues
fix
here.
it.
I just found 1 carrot that probably was bugged in berries that could have.
It's
easily
right
been bugged
here.
As well. I have lost my hope so far.
Pretend
I'm
this
sad about it. And
this
I'm
is
cold with
the
attacking
fixing
me.
thing
I put the child down.
for the thing because I
don't know
can't
what to
because I don't know
do.
how
This
where to
poor
get
little
it.
deer is out in the
And I
wild,
think
I have no
and I
idea.
don't even
Like, I
have
can't believe
one.
I just
So
left him
yeah,
alone for 2 seconds and he's gone.
she fixed
Usually
it.
he comes
And don't mind
back
about my
and then
iPad
I'm
cracked.
back. No. Guys,
Okay,
I've
that's
been
fixed
looking
now.
around for so
Are you guys
many
still
days
cold?
and I have not found
Yeah,
a
we're going
single
back to sleep.
thing. No clues.
Night night.
Stupid strawberries are brown. Nothing. I mean, we could go check the stronghold, but I doubt
Okay,
he's
they're
even gonna be there.
asleep.
I mean, the pearl trader was there last time and he went missing.
Okay, now I'm just gonna get ready.
What are you doing?
I'm dying.
No, are you
Okay, I'm
okay?
just gonna do the
What can I do
laundry.
to save
Okay,
you?
guys, I'm gonna get the big family house, so
Where? Your leg,
finally
your
gonna get the
arm?
washing machine.
Okay, I'm sorry. I guess it's worth a try. I'm just hoping for
Then she goes
sort of
upstairs.
clue at this point. I'm getting
Oh yeah,
desperate.
everybody's going to sleep in the parents' bedroom.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna rush in. I
Oh
don't
yeah,
care.
and
The
then
baby deer is definitely in here. That
and
is a
then
sign.
put a
I
new
feel
bed for
hopeful again.
the
Oh my
daughter
God.
because I
But
didn't like that
swear
bed because you couldn't
Stinky
do
Pulses laid
this.
a finger on the
So she could
seat.
sit.
How cute baby deer.
They're not
I'm
gonna
going
spend
be
the
so
night
happy.
in the
But you guys
parents'
let me know in
room.
the comments what you would do
They're
if
just
your
gonna
little baby
stay
deer
in
went
bed and
missing
sleep.
in the forest with these stinky men. Stinky cultists. Die! I swear if you guys have
This
my baby deer, he's
video's
probably at the
just gonna
top
be
floor. If
for
he's not
6
here,
minutes.
he's definitely at
I'm
the
so
top.
sorry.
He's gotta be, right? Oh my God,
Like
baby deer,
my
I'm here.
stomach's
Baby
hurting
deer,
a
I'm
lot,
here.
so I could wait
He's
one
not
more
here, he's not
minute.
here. Okay, but I gotta kill these cultists
Okay.
before they kill me. Baby deer, are you
Now
in
what
here?
we do?
Oh my God, maybe he's in there. Oh, maybe he's not laying on top of the chest.
Like guys, I don't know what to do
Baby deer,
now.
please be
So
somewhere.
maybe I'm gonna
Maybe
do a
if I
part
open
2.
the
I'm
gate,
gonna do a
because, you know,
part
like,
2.
he's in here.
So
Baby
bye
deer?
guys. See you tomorrow.
Baby deer,